Ever wondered what happens if you do 50 push-ups every day? In just 30 days, you can transform your body, boost your strength, and feel unstoppable. But there's one surprising side effect most people never expect. I did 50 push-ups every single day for a month, and the truth was way more complicated than I ever imagined. Let's be honest, the hype around push-ups is there for the hype reason. They're an incredible compound exercise. You're hitting your chest, shoulders, and triceps all at once. Do them right, and you can even target your core to keep your body straight, which can do wonders for your posture. So, where's the problem? The problem isn't the push-up itself. It's the idea of doing the exact same 50 reps the exact same way every day. See, your muscles grow by adapting to stress. But if that stress never changes, they just stop the plateau adapting. This is the plateau, the point where you just stop seeing results. But the real danger, the one people aren't talking about, is bigger than just getting stuck. My first week was pretty much what you'd expect. Pain. Pure, unadulterated pain. My arms and chest were screaming and my form was worse. I had to split my 50 reps throughout the day in pathetic little sets of 5 just to survive. My main focus was just keeping my body locked in a straight line from head to heels, trying not to let my hips sag. Then by week 2, something clicked. The soreness started the honeymoon to fade and was replaced by this feeling of actual strength. I was suddenly knocking out sets of 10, then 15. I could literally feel my chest and triceps getting firmer. This is the honeymoon phase of the challenge, the part that gets you totally hooked because the initial gains come so fast. Week 3 is when things got really interesting. I was easily crushing 25 push-ups in a single go. I looked more defined in the mirror and genuinely felt powerful. But I also started to notice something weird. My shoulders seemed to be rounding forward a little, my pushing muscles. The problem, my chest and the front of my shoulders were getting stronger every day. But what about all the pulling muscles in my back? I hadn't given them a single thought. And that's the critical problem. Focusing only on push-ups can create some serious muscle imbalances. Your body is built on a system of push and pull mechanics. By hammering your chest and front delts day after day without giving your back muscles equal attention, you're basically pulling your shoulders forward, which can lead to that hunched over posture and even cause injury. This was the side effect I never saw coming. While the front of my body was getting stronger, my back was getting left in the dust. I was accidentally building an unbalanced body, strong in one direction, weak in another. This is the trap most of these daily challenge videos completely forget to mention. So, should you just ditch the 50 push-up challenge? No, absolutely not. You just have to be smarter about it. The goal isn't just to hit a number, it's to build a body that's balanced and strong. First, give yourself a break. Seriously, your muscles don't get stronger during the workout. They grow the recovery while they're resting. Taking 1 or 2 days off a week is non-negotiable for recovery and growth. This will keep you safe from getting an overuse injury. Second, mix it up. Stop doing the same old push-up. Try a wider grip to focus more on your chest, or a close grip to blast your triceps. More importantly, start adding in some pulling exercises. Simple stuff like bodyweight rows, pull-ups, or dumbbell rows will create that balance your body needs and keep your shoulders healthy and hat. Third, master your form. I'm serious. It is so much better to do 10 perfect push-ups than 50 sloppy ones. Keep your elbows tucked at about a 45 angle, not flared way out. Squeeze your core and glutes to keep your back from sagging, and go all the way down until your chest is almost touching the floor. After 30 days, I was definitely stronger. My core felt like a rock, and I had visible definition in my upper body that wasn't there before. But the biggest lesson wasn't the muscle I built. It was understanding that real fitness isn't about mindlessly grinding out one exercise. It's about building a balanced, intelligent system. So, if you're going to take on this challenge, do it the right way. Don't just chase a number. Focus on perfect form. Embrace your rest days, and build a body that's balanced from front to back. That's the real secret to getting results that actually last. If you decide to try this challenge with these tips, I want to hear how it goes. Drop your results in the comments below. And for more fitness advice that cuts through the noise, make sure you like and subscribe.